welcome back to the workshop. So we've got a cool wee project, should be a short video, there's no much to it. So I want to make this spin top here, and I'm going to use this part which was a bit of the yo-yo, a bit that I messed up, so I don't like seeing things go to waste, so I'm going to use it as part of the spin top. So what I'm going to do is, well, I can't get this back in the truck like this, so I'm going to take a wee bit off this, take this down enough just so I can get it in the truck that way, and then we'll flatten this bit. We're going to drill what is this, going to drill an 8mm hole right through, and then I've got this mild steel here which is for my old vise. We'll cut a bit of this off, and then we'll turn it down to get kind of shaped like this, and I want to create a nice interference fit to go right through here. So alright, let's get to it.